Larson, and I want to share a very valuable lesson with you today. My operations manager, Amanda, will actually be going through step by step so you understand every single nitty-gritty detail of how to do this operation. Here at Real Estate Mad Education, we don't believe in fluff. We believe in details. We want to give you actionable information that you can follow along with and go implement right away. I hope you enjoy this training. Thank you.
Hey guys, so this video is going to show you how to figure quick rehab numbers. It's a really important part of getting a good deal, so you want to make sure you dial that in. Estimating rehab can be intimidating, especially if you aren't familiar with rehabs or pricing, or you're not a contractor, but you don't really have to be or have a ton of experience to do a quick estimate. So we're going to show you a fast and easy way so you can make offers on tons of houses really fast. So remember, this is a quick quote. If you're wholesaling, totally fine. This is a really great way actually to figure rehab numbers. If you plan to do a fix and flip or rehab this yourself, after you get the house, you will want to dial those numbers in a lot better since this is a quick estimate. Just keep that in mind. So if we scroll down, you'll see that rehab costs can be estimated by looking at photos. So we do this all the time, and it works really well for us. So there's a few different types of rehabs, and you can judge those based on the photos. So a light rehab, the house is in good condition, but it might just need a little bit of cosmetic work. So carpet paint, we would consider those to be light rehabs, and it's usually a quick project, so 1 to 2 weeks max. Medium rehab, it needs a little bit of updating and a little more involved than just a light rehab. Possibly, new flooring, countertops, appliances. Still pretty easy, but a little more in depth than just your lighter rehab. This is usually between 2 and 4 weeks. A large rehab, so this is going to be your larger scope, so if it needs a new roof, foundation repairs, gut jobs, that sort of thing. And there are variations of larger rehabs as well. This type of project usually is a total remodel or very heavy rehab and takes anywhere between 4 to 12 weeks depending on the scope. So once you've determined the type of rehab based on the photos, you can use these very quick numbers just to get your quotes. So for the lighter rehab, we use $15 a square foot. So you would take 15 times the square feet of the house, and that gives you your rehab cost. Do this for each one. Medium, we use $20, and large, we use $25 a square foot. So here's just a really quick example. For a light rehab at 1,500 square feet, you would take $15 and multiply that by 1,500 square feet, and that gives you $22,500 for a very quick rehab estimate. Now you can use that number and plug that into the offer formula to get your offer. I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, just let us know.